Hello cricket fans, we are live with what promises to be an enthralling encounter. Get ready for some top-notch cricketing action as the teams face off. The winning team has decided to bowl first. Let's see how this plays out.
Come on, fans.
The openers are out. It's an important game. The crowd is eager as the spinner steps in. It's the left-hander on strike. Too easy. Put away with authority. 4 runs. Just look at the timing on that shot. He barely seemed to hit it. It sailed over the ropes. Another dot ball. He's making the bowler think. What is he planning to do now, the batter? Safe as the houses, takes it cleanly. The bowler's putting on a show with that celebration. Talk about making a statement. He judged that perfectly and made no mistake with the catch. Another wicket falls. Back in the game now. And the right-hander on strike.
Great shot!
Looks like a really good shot, and yes it is.
Out like a light.
Great
That's
shot!
pure power. The replay shows how he absolutely middled it, sending it miles into the stands. Now, under pressure, the bowler need to make things happen. A classic cover drive. Finds the gap perfectly and adds 4 to the tally.
Well played.
Full extension of the arms, perfect balance, and the ball does the rest. The final over is here. The batsman will go all out and the bowlers need to be ready for the onslaught. And the right-hander on strike. Magnificent straight drive. Right back past the bowler for a glorious boundary. Notice the control here. He keeps his head down, rolls his wrist and places it perfectly for 4. Magnificent straight drive. Right back past the bowler for a glorious boundary. He's muscled that through the infield. The fielder barely had time to react as it sped past him. The batter seems to be in a hurry here. We see a change in the field placement as the captain reshuffles the field. Massive moment. That's a big, big wicket. Oh, that's good bowling. He hasn't followed the batter.
Great ball.
He has to go back. He's let his team down. The right-hander on strike. That wicket has really lifted the spirit of the bowler. He's looking eager for more. Pure class. Perfect timing. Perfect placement.
Great
4
shot.
runs. Full extension of the arms. Perfect balance, and the ball does the rest.
Yeah!
That's enormous. Right up into the top tier. That's a statement shot. The replay shows how dominant
played.
he's been, taking on the bowler and winning big.
Good
Fans
game.
are witnessing some exceptional batting here. Innings like these are rare sight over the years. That's a wicket. A little lazy in the running, but got to give a lot of credit to the fielder. That's another wicket. A huge total.